Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open the workbook and go to the sheet with missing columns. Select the whole sheet by clicking the top left corner or pressing Ctrl+A. Once the sheet is selected, you can change column width for every column at once. This targets any hidden columns that have been set to 0 width. Make sure you're on the active sheet you want to fix. Do not change global defaults for other workbooks. With the entire sheet selected, use Home right arrow format right arrow column width and enter a readable value like 843, or right-click any column header and choose column width and type a number. Once done, Excel applies that width to every column, immediately revealing any previously hidden 0 width columns. If only some columns should change, first select the adjacent headers spanning the hidden area, then set width. This is why selecting the range correctly matters, so you don't alter. Finish by eyeballing the sheet and adjusting individual column widths as needed. Once done, save a backup. If columns still seem missing, make sure no grouping or applied filters are collapsing them and check for a protected sheet. Protected sheets can prevent unhide actions. If protection blocks you, unprotect the sheet first. As a last resort, use a simple VBA line like columns BD hidden equals false to force visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.